Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss NP hard and NP complete problems. In previous videos we discussed what is meant by P problem, what is meant by NP problem, what is meant by deterministic algorithm and what is meant by non-deterministic algorithm. Okay. So to understand this concept, you please watch this video. Okay, I'll give the link for this. You please watch that video. Then you watch this complete video. Okay, so what is meant by this NP hard and NP complete problems? Okay, so now coming to first one, NP hard problems. NP hard problems. So NP, non-deterministic algorithm is there to solve the problem, but it can be verified in polynomial time. That is non-deterministic or NP problem. Okay, now what is this NP hard problems? NP hard problems are the problems which are very tough as the hardest problems in NP. Hardest problems in NP. Okay. So that means if you solve these toughest problems called as NP hard problems, then you can solve all NP problems quickly. I am repeating this point. Okay. If you are able to solve this NP hard problems quickly is nothing but polynomial time. Okay. Quickly is nothing but fast, means a polynomial time. Then you can solve all NP problems quickly. Okay, so that means these NP hard problems don't have to be NP hard problems, no need to have to be NP. Okay, don't have to be in NP. What does it mean? NP problems are nothing but verified in polynomial time. Verified in polynomial time means quickly you can verify. These NP hard problems are even not also verified, not verified quickly. Okay, you can't verify very quickly. That means there is no polynomial time algorithm to verify the problems. Then those problems are called as NP hard problems. Example for this NP hard problems is, so you have traveling salesperson problem. So generally this traveling salesperson problem is order of 2 power n into n square, which is non-polynomial time, that means exponential time. Okay, so there is no shortcut way or quick way to verify the solution. Quick or fast way to verify the solution. To verify the solution. So this is traveling salesperson problem example. This is NP hard problems. Now next one is, what is the next category? So this NP hard and NP complete, these are the two types under NP. So first one is NP hard and another one is NP complete. or NP completeness. NP hard and NP complete problems. That means easily you can write like this. So generally problems you have. Okay. So there are two types of problems. One is P problems and another one is NP problems. NP problems are of two types. NP hard problems, then NP completeness or NP complete problems. Very important this category. Okay. So now we discussed NP hard problems now. Now we are going to discuss this NP complete problems. So now NP complete problems. NP complete problems. So these are also toughest problems. Toughest problems in NP. Toughest problems in NP that can be verified quickly. Quickly verified is nothing but what does it mean? In polynomial time, the time complexity. That means for that algorithm, polynomial time will be taken. So these are as hard as any problem in NP. So quickly is nothing but what? You can verify quickly. You can verify quickly. That means NP means here two properties. NP complete, not NP. NP complete means two properties. So these are hardest problems. And also these are an NP. So from NP only. Now what is the diagrammatic representation for this category? You know already all problems are NP problems. Some of them are solved in polynomial time. Okay. But you have toughest problems. So NP hard. This intersection is there, na? That means this part. This intersection is there, na? That intersection is called as NP complete problems. NP complete problems. Okay, that means what is meant by NP? So you know the relation between P and NP. The relation between P and NP is P is a subset or equal to NP. So this is NP hard. NP hard means up to here. NP hard. So intersection of this, all these are NP hard. Okay, but these are toughest problems. Now this is intersection. So that means NP complete is nothing but NP intersection NP hard. NP complete is nothing but NP intersection NP hard. Hope you understand, students. This is very important here. This one. Problems are of two types, pre-problems, NP problems. Again, NP problems are two types, NP hard and NP complete, and the relation between all these problems is this one. So, very important, students. Okay. So, hope you understand the concept of NP hard and NP complete problems. So, if you have any doubts, please send your queries or questions in the comment box. Okay, please share with your friends. Okay. Thank you, students. Have a great day. Bye.